Hello everyone, this is Ayush here. The focus of our learning will be environment section from the prelims perspective. This section is particularly important because it is overlapping with the State Forest Service exam also. The syllabus consists of these 2 points from the Unit 7 section, which is the environment and biodiversity and the ecological system. So first of all, let's see what an environment is. Anything that surrounds us is an environment. What things surrounds us? Living and non-living. Living things are the biotic one, non-living are the abiotic ones. These are dependent on each other through a complex set of relationships in a constant rate of flux. That is, these relationships are not static. Let's consider an example to get things easier. You might all be familiar with the setup of an hostel. This whole thing this whole thing constitutes the environment. Consider yourself as one of these two characters. Here, the living things are yourself, the other humans, trees, plants, birds, animals, the parasites, decomposers, etc. Abiotic things are the soil, water, temperature, the smoke coming from various places, etc. Next thing you can see, ecology. Now what is ecology? Ecology, as you can see, it is the study of relationships. What relationships? Between the living organisms. That is the abiotic factors the biotic factors are involved in the ecology. Since this is a systematic study, so it is done like this. First of all, an individual. So various individuals of the same species make up a population. Okay, then various populations of different species in a specific area. Different species in a specific area make up a community. So community is consisting of the biotic factors. Then ecosystem, you combine together it with the abiotic factors. Here the water and this stone, these abiotic factors have come up, and also the interaction between them. See, the ecosystem also consists of interaction along with the abiotic factors. Okay, then comes the biome, which is another unit which is a superset of ecosystem, and a bigger superset is the biosphere. So an ecosystem, as we saw, it is the structural and functional unit of a biosphere. Living plus non-living and interaction between those. Next thing is classification of the ecosystem. Under the terrestrial head, forest, grassland, deserts, and in the aquatic head, freshwater system, saline water ecosystem, and marine water ecosystem. Next, biome. It is the terrestrial part of the biosphere. So various ecosystems are making together in a terrestrial part to make a biome. Biomes are characterized by various climates, vegetations, animal life, and soil types. So these are of various types that we will discuss later on: savanna and tundra, taiga, etc. Okay. So next one is biosphere, the larger superset. Biosphere is that part of the earth where the life can exist. Wherever there is air, the atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the lithosphere all constitute the biosphere. So that's it for today. Let's see the question of the day. From what we have learned today, you should be able to solve this question. Thank you everyone. Have an awesome day.